Hi, everybody. This is Elektra Yao, immigration lawyer, artist visa lawyer, and entertainment lawyer. I have offices located in New York City, right across the street from Macy's. And today I'm in my office in New Jersey. So we have two offices in New York and New Jersey, but I work with clients everywhere in the United States and everywhere in the world. As you can see, I'm still moving into my office here in New Jersey. I still need to put up my plaques. I'm still waiting for them. And I wanted to talk to you about DACA. I would have done the video earlier, but I wanted to wait for official USCIS guidance. And today they've officially published their guidance on the website. So the great news about DACA is that everything has been restored to what it was prior to this current administration. So this is great news. This means that people who weren't able to apply during this administration because they were first-time DACA applicants, now they can apply. So I want to give you the rundown, all you need to know about DACA. And for those of you who don't know me, my sister is a DACA recipient. So I do DACA applications, but I do them low bono, which means I do them at a very, very reduced legal rate because my sister is a DACA recipient and I want to try to help as many people as possible obtain their goals of being here and being the best person that they can be within their sphere. So if you are curious about DACA, you want more information about DACA, you want to apply for DACA, call our office. My number is scrolling down. You can call our New York office, 646-490-8808. Or if you are not interested in DACA, but you know somebody who would benefit from this information, then please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it to who would benefit from this information. So let me give you the quick rundown on the restoration or the revival of DACA. So probably the biggest, most important thing right now is that DACA, right now, USCIS is accepting first-time applicants. This is great. This is huge. So it doesn't matter if you've never submitted a DACA application or you want to submit one or you've tried and you got denied, you can apply now. USCIS is accepting first-time DACA applications. Another really great thing about the restoration or the revival of DACA is that advanced parole applications are now being accepted. And advanced parole, for those of you who don't know, is your travel document, which allows you to travel in and out of the U.S. So for those of you who might have family abroad, or you're interested in traveling for your studies or for work or for whatever it is, you can now submit your application for advanced parole. And advanced parole is it's a whole separate video. We can talk about advanced parole and what it means to enter with advanced parole. But number one, first-time DACA applications are being accepted. And number two, advanced parole applications are being accepted. The third thing that you need to know is that work authorization is not being extended for 1 year, but it's being, like I said, revived to the original rules, and it's being restored for 2 years. So now instead of the 1 year rule that we had, which was instituted probably a couple months ago, now we have back and forth the 2 year rule. So you will get work authorization for 2 years. And the last thing that you should know about DACA is that it is extendable now or renewable for 2 years at a time, not just 1 year at a time. So these are all the major changes about the restoration of DACA. I'm just going to repeat them again so that it's super clear. Now USCIS is accepting first-time DACA applications. And for those of you who are really curious about this, you should go directly on the USCIS website. They published it today. If you scroll down to the bottom of the DACA page, you will see today's date, which is why, which is the date that they've officially published this information. So USCIS is accepting first-time DACA applications. They're also accepting advanced parole applications. Work authorization is renewable or extendable for 2 years instead of 1 year, and DACA is extendable or renewable for 2 years instead of 1 year. So that's basically the rundown on the DACA revival, on DACA being back. Please like or share this video for people who might need help or more information or assistance on DACA. I do DACA low bono. I don't do it at the full legal rate because, like I said, my sister is a DACA recipient and I want to give back to the community and help as much as possible. So Please like, share, subscribe. And I think everybody, this is a great step for America in going back to our inclusionary mentality and our inclusionary spirit of all of those who are located on the U.S. territory, and for all of those who have ties to America. So a great first step towards going back to and restoring what our values were in the past. So I see lots of people joining. I just want to give another rundown of the DACA revival and all the new rules associated with DACA. So DACA, USCIS is now accepting first-time applications. USCIS is now accepting advanced parole. Work authorization or your work permit is now extendable or renewable for 2 years. And the DACA deferred status is renewable or extendable for another 2 years instead of 1 year. So please like, subscribe, share to people who would be interested. If you are curious about DACA, or you need more information, or you need a DACA application to be prepared by an attorney, my law firm does DACA applications lo bono because my sister is a DACA recipient. I've prepared her last couple of DACA applications. So please feel free to call our firm, 646-490-8808. Thanks, everybody. Bye.